So here we have garlic growing, including one elephant garlic over in this corner, and some lovely fungi in there. Swiss chard over in that bath or bed, and yes, we do still have tomatoes growing. They're not ripening very well. This one is onions and carrots and snow peas. So Bill's tried an experiment with the snow peas, put a bit of conduit around each of the seedlings because they're just being eaten by slaters or slugs or something, and put some, well, we didn't have Vaseline, so we used Vicks Vapor Rub across the top. Doesn't look like that one survived. I think they even got into that. Over here, there's some broccoli doing nicely, and one Chinese cabbage survived out of the 6 we put in. There's a cauliflower. That's our finger lime. Another cauliflower, fennel. This is a mixture garden. A bit of beetroot, some onions, and some snow peas. Some onions around the mandarin. They were just tops that we've put in. Bill's just repotted and divided the rhubarb because it was getting a bit thin and straggly. The oregano is doing nicely. He has espaliered the pear tree, cut the top off. It hadn't been producing for the last 3 years, so we're still getting capsicum at the moment. There's a little baby capsicum. They're not chilies as some people suspect, but they are actually capsicum. They're doing nicely. Broad beans are in, and there's some carrots in amongst those. More snow peas, but not too many of these are going to survive because, again, they've been chewed at the base. It's amazing it's still got all this lovely green life at the top, but this is the base of it. That's it. Some celery bases regrowing. We've had success with that in the past. Tried celery seeds and seedlings, but they didn't work, but we put the bases of the celeries in and they grow. And the roses, Granddad's roses. This little one has just started flowering again. We repotted all of these. And this one has a scent like an apple blossom. It's beautiful. Another celery. I forget what that is that Bill's trying to strike in there. One of the trees. Oh, the wedding bush, bridal bush. And our apple tree is just finished. Yesterday I did what Josh on Gardening Australia recommended and took the leaves off. And in this section of the garden, we have another little capsicum, still little ones on it, more snow peas. Our mulberry, we've got a couple. This one decided to fruit again, which is really lovely because it's June now and I'm still getting some mulberries. In this bath, beetroot, fennel, cauliflower and an onion. Over here in the corner, another rose, Chinese gooseberry, pineapple, which will grow very slowly, the cherries in dormancy, some carrots, another cherry, and strawberries. And we're just getting the last couple from it very slowly. as long as I get them before the slugs do. And the lime tree, we had to cut right back. It had some sort of bug in it, so hopefully it'll come back. And down here, a bit of parsley. And yes, I have to weed this garden yet. We didn't think we were going to get any bananas this year, and we probably still won't, because it's probably way too late for them to ripen. But there we go, a bunch of bananas. We just noticed it a couple of weeks ago, very late. Pawpaw's growing nicely. We have got a couple of others to put in there once spring comes or summer. And in the greenhouse there is some chocolate mint, some tomatoes. There's the other pawpaw that'll go outside when it gets warmer. And another pineapple, some lemongrass, another pawpaw, flame tree, and our turmeric is doing beautifully. A bit of asparagus in that one, some weeds, and also I was given some flowers, so we're hoping we might be able to strike some of those flowers or that bush. Capsicum, blood lily, and another pineapple. And on the veranda, fennel growing nicely in the pot. There's a bit of sage there, chocolate mint, rosemary, parsley, another onion, a bit of lavender. Over here there's some onions, some lemon myrtle, spring onions, and apart from the Christmas tree, a lily pilly with a little bit of fruit on. Okay, Bill's finished rewiring the roof here. We're getting rid of all that old netting that had split and rotted anyway, just from all the leaves accumulating on it, I think. So it's a work in progress. It's a big job. Anyway, in here we've got some fennel, and in here there's some snow peas, some of that special broccoli. It's more yellow than green. And Bill also planted some carrot seeds in here. It's an old-fashioned vegetable where there's a few weeds, obviously, but we're not sure what else is in there. Some more cauliflower. This is a mulberry that we took a cutting off another plant, and it's growing lovely. And there's a couple of our unicorn apples with some carrots in there. In here, some potatoes, sweet potato, another cauliflower, and our asparagus bed or bath. There's a blueberry, fennel, mulberry, unicorn apple. Not sure what this is going to turn out to be. It grew from seed, but Bill has grafted nectarine on it. Another unicorn apple, another blueberry, another cauliflower, another unicorn apple. Down there in that large pot is pomegranate. It's not doing so well. We're not sure. So he's cut it right back because he had to while he rewired the garden. Another blueberry, oh, and a couple of avocados that have grown from seed. Lime, another blueberry. We like our blueberries. And this is asparagus pea, which is growing beautifully but hasn't flowered yet, but we may have put it in at the wrong time. And that's it for our garden.